Thanks, Dave. Good morning, everyone. Nice to see you all in the audience. I'm Deepak Sharma. I'm a GM at Array, and I lead our digital financial management product suite. Today, I'll walk you through one of our products called Subscription Manager. As the name suggests, the goal of the product is to make the consumer become aware of the subscriptions. And then with a few clicks within the application, the consumers can request cancellation or negotiation. You may be wondering why Subscription Manager? This is because on an average, a US household is now spending between $3,000 to $5,000 each year on subscriptions. If you survey the consumers, roughly two-thirds of the consumers will tell you that they are not using at least one subscription they are paying for. So by giving insights to the consumer on the subscriptions they are paying for and then making it really easy to cancel or negotiate, we can save them hundreds of dollars each year, which is incremental saving, which could be pretty significant for a lot of households. With that, I'm going to get into our demo. Array's products are offered as embeddable components into our client's experience. So in this example, let's say the user comes in, they log into our client's experience, and they see this entry tile for Subscription Manager. They enter into the flow. We invoke Plaid to help us aggregate the user's accounts where they are using to make transactions on these subscriptions. If you already have the consumer's transaction data pre-aggregated, we can skip the Plaid flow. So let's say the user goes through the Plaid flow, they onboard different accounts they're using to pay for these subscriptions. They go through that flow, and then at the end of it, we receive the last 12 months of transaction history on the user. We have built our own tagging algorithm that allows us to scan these transactions and find the subscriptions that the user is paying for. And then we provide a summary list of all these subscriptions to the consumer on this UI component. So as you can see in this example, the user is paying for Netflix, AT&T, etc. Now let's go through a sample cancellation flow. Let's say the user would like to cancel Netflix. They can simply click on the logo and then now take into this form. This form will change depending on the subscription provider. In the case of Netflix, they require first name, last name, and an email address to cancel the subscription. Through our integration with the clients, we can pre-populate most of this information. So in this example, let's say the user comes in, first and last name Thomas Friedman, they input their email address, they agree to the terms of services, they hit cancel Netflix, and they are done. We now take the request from the consumer, and we take care of all the logistics to cancel or negotiate these subscriptions. We provide the status update to the consumer on the component, and also through email. So whenever there's a successful cancellation or negotiation, we'll update the component that we were able to save them $20 a month on Netflix, and we also send them the email. So as you can see, that this is a pretty simple yet very powerful tool to help the consumers save money.